The 2010 Furman B. Voorhees Volunteer of the Year, Jeff Orth. Jeff Orth has a history of involvement in the community, and it's people like Jeff who've made such organizations as the Gilroy Chamber of Commerce succeed.
I came to realize that a life lived to help others is the only one that really matters, and that it's my duty in return for all the blessings that God has given me to help those people and organizations that He's placed in my path. This, I believe, is my best and highest use as a human being.
It's not unusual for Jeff to mentor new members about the value of involvement and encourage cross-promotion of businesses. Jeff is the first person to roll up his shirt sleeves and lend a hand. Jeff has served in many capacities for the Chamber, including 2 terms on the Board of Directors, as an ambassador, and on the beer committee, where he has served as a beer booth manager for over 10 years. He's also helped out on the annual trade show, annual dinner, and as an MC for the Breakfast Club, just to name a few. Jeff's support to others goes well beyond the Chamber. He's taken active roles in the Gilroy Rotary Club at the Rotary District level and currently serves as the Youth Services Chair. In 2005, Jeff served as the president of the Gilroy Rotary Club. And even with a busy financial services business, Jeff has made time to actively support the Gilroy Memorial Day Parade, Morgan Hill Bible Church, the YMCA, and St. Joseph's Family Center. As many in the Chamber have noted, Jeff is the go-to guy when something needs to get done. Whether it's the Gilroy Chamber of Commerce, philanthropic organizations, fundraisers, or a community parade, Jeff Orth is right there. And that's why our Furman B. Voorhees Volunteer of the Year is such a super volunteer.